Hi guys, my name is Shovik and I'm from Food and Mocktail with Amrita. Since we all know that we are in a lockdown situation due to the pandemic disease since the month of March till date, and due to this war situation in India, we have incurred a lot of losses in our life. Like we have lost our job, there we have incurred loss in our business, or we are accepting furlough from our company. At this situation, most of us are thinking how to save money and how to stay hygienic, how to stay safe at home. So, looking at this situation, I from Food and Mocktail with Amrita decided to show you how to make paneer in a most hygienic and wonderful way at home, so that you don't have to step out of your house and buy paneer. If you had milk at home, you can always try this recipe. So let's go ahead and see the recipe. So guys, here I'm going to prepare malai paneer. So for that I have taken 2.5 liters of full cream milk and I'm heating it in a pot. And to remove the paneer out of the milk, I have taken 4 small lemon and I have used 2 tablespoons of cold water as a mixture to the lemon. And this is how it looks like. And if you are taking large lemon, you have to take 2.5 pieces of large lemon for 2.5 liters of milk. I have taken a cotton cloth to remove the paneer and to remove the water out of the milk, and after that I have to dip it in a cold water to remove the excess amount of lemon from the paneer, and finally I am going to serve it in a pot, and I have to keep it in a cooling period for at least 2 hours in refrigerator. So guys, slowly we have to mix the lemon juice in the milk to remove the paneer out of it. Very slowly we have to do it. So slowly the paneer is coming out, see. So guys, see, the paneer is ready to be removed from the water. This is how it looks like. So as and when you find this kind of texture on the milk, you have to immediately switch off your gas oven. And now it's time to remove the paneer out of the water. So guys, we are removing the paneer out of the milk. See, this is how it should be removed. So guys, see, we have already strained the water from the paneer, and now we are going to go ahead and press it to remove the excess water from it. So you can take a device to remove it, and now we will dip it in cold water to remove the excess lemon out of this particular paneer, so that it doesn't taste bad. Now when we have already strained the paneer in cold water to remove the excess lemon, now what we have to do is to remove the excess water, we need some heavy item to be used to flatten the paneer. So this is what we are doing. We are using a chopper board, and above that chopper board we are keeping another heavy item, and we have to keep it aside for at least some time, so that the excess water comes out of the paneer, and then we have to remove the paneer, keep it for at least 10-15 minutes, and then we are going to remove the paneer, keep it in a pot and keep it in a cold place to get firm. I see, after 10 minutes I have removed the weights, and see, the paneer has started flattening. Now we are going to turn it on the other side, and we have to keep it for another 15-20 minutes. We have to use the weights once again so that the complete water gets drained out. Exactly after 20 minutes I am removing the cloth, and see the condition of the paneer. The paneer is made. Now you can keep it aside for some time in cold temperature for the paneer to get thicker. At least keep it for 2 hours in refrigerator and your paneer will be ready. Finally, the malai paneer is ready to be served. I have removed it from the refrigerator and I will show you how the look is like. Guys, the malai paneer is ready to be served. See, I have taken it in a serving bowl and I refrigerated this paneer for 2 hours in normal refrigerator. Don't put it in deep freezer. And see, I have cut it into pieces and look at the piece. It's so perfect. So guys, I would request you to try this at home. It's perfect paneer, malai paneer without any adhesive in it. Guys, let me just refresh. This is made of a full cream milk and lemon. No other ingredients are used in this particular paneer. So if you like this recipe, please try it at home. Make paneer at home and stay healthy, stay fit. And if you like our recipe, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe our channel Food and Mocktail with Amrita. Let us grow and let's grow together like a family. Take care. See you once again. Bye bye.